In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code snippets in WordPress. We'll do this the safe way, using a plugin, so you don't have to edit theme files or risk breaking your site. If possible, make a quick backup or work on a staging copy before you add any custom code, just to keep things risk-free. First, open your WordPress website and sign into your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Plugins. On the Plugins page, click Add New to open the plugin marketplace. In the search bar, type WP Code. This is the tool we'll use to manage custom snippets cleanly and safely. When you see it appear in the results, click it, then click Install, and when installation finishes, click Activate. After activation, you'll notice a new option on the left-hand menu labeled Code. That's where all your snippets will live. Go ahead and click Code, then click Add Snippet. You'll be taken to a library of snippet templates and options. For general custom code, choose the option that lets you add your own snippet, then click Use Snippet. This opens the editor where you'll place your code. Now you're in the right place to paste or write your code. At the top, enter a clear name for your snippet so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to add more than one. Next, select the correct code type from the drop-down. This is important. Choose PHP snippet for PHP functions, HTML for markup, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for scripts. Picking the right type helps the plugin load your snippet in the correct part of your site and avoid conflicts. Paste your code into the editor. If you're adding PHP, make sure it's valid and complete. The plugin doesn't require the opening PHP tag, so don't add it unless your snippet specifically needs it. For CSS and JavaScript, keep your code well formatted and concise. If you're following instructions from a tutorial, double-check that the snippet is meant for your version of WordPress or your theme. When everything looks good, click Save Snippet. Saving stores your code safely inside WordPress and keeps it organized, so you can come back to edit or remove it without touching theme files. If anything doesn't behave as expected after saving, retrace your steps, confirm the code type, and review the snippet for typos. That's it. You've learned how to add code snippets in WordPress using WP Code. This approach keeps your customizations neat, manageable, and update safe. Thanks for watching and happy building.